I'm a little busy. And this is going to be Iron Man Mark 17 HeartBreaker turned into Iron Demon update part 1. You see the helmets is kind of taped together. I had a little accident up here where it didn't finish printing, so I'm going to have to blend all that in using the soldering iron. But it's going to be a quick one. I'm just kind of happy how it's turning out. I went ahead and primered the faceplate with Rust-Oleum filler primer just to highlight, see how much more layer lines I need to sand down and then spray it again. But yeah, definitely coming out big or good, and it's definitely a big helmet. I mean, side to side, it's definitely bigger than my head. Like, it's got a massive, like, Jay Leno chin on it. But the HeartBreaker armor is definitely one of my favorite Iron Man armors. And I think it's going to lend really well to how I want to make it my own with, turning it into the Iron Demon. It's going to have 2 horns that are going to mount thingy either on a faceplate, which is going to be they'll be taken on and off with magnets, or I might put them back here so they don't come off with the faceplate, so there's not a chance of them getting broken off the faceplate. But yeah. Oh wait, almost forgot. I don't have this part attached yet, but it does have. Whoa, that's pretty crooked. It does have another piece that fits similar to that, more like kind of bent looking things, but not attaching those until I absolutely have to, because as you can see, it is joined with tape, because the part that goes and fills in the back here, that's going to be right here and filling into this section and makes it so you can actually attach the jaw section, is what's on the printer right now. But yeah, so the helmet so far, and I'm actually starting with this helmet, and then I'm going to be doing the right arm, the hand, all the way up to the shoulder, and it's kind of my own take on the taking a more literal interpretation of the older Tony Stark storyline of Demon in a Bottle, when Tony Stark had to overcome alcoholism and also his own personal demons and all that. And yeah, kind of going with the alternate reality version of him, where it wasn't alcoholism and inner demons, it was he had to overcome an actual demon that takes over him in his suit. Kind of got the idea from all the stuff about the new new Doctor Strange movie coming out, Multiverse of Madness. So I thought, why not make an alternate version? And that's one of the great things about 3D printing this stuff, is you can make it your own. You can do whatever the hell you want with it. I mean, I could make a pink fairy unicorn Iron Man if I wanted to. No, I never would. But, well, unless somebody asked me to, then maybe, but not for myself, but for them. But yeah, you can, that's the great thing about it. You can make it whatever you want. Like the Mando helmet on the shelf back there, that one's actually, I don't know if I'm going to go silver or if I'm going to paint it like kind of like the digital camo is another one I was thinking about. But Yeah, like even like I showed this last video, but we got the evil Boo. He normally he's pink, white pants, black belt, gold trim. I didn't have to print him like that. I thought he looked cool like this, and I was right. Looks freaking cool. So, yep. And I'll keep updating about the armor along the way. And kind of like I said before, we're gonna make like a series out of it. This long process, and I don't know if I'm gonna do too many like instructional type videos, like tutorials, but I might on a few of the trickier parts of it. I mean, right now it's just building and assembling. There's tons of them out there, and like I mentioned last video, frankly built, amazing tutorial videos. I think I'll leave that to him. He's much better at that than me. And let me think. 3D Printing Nerd has a lot of tutorial ones. Emily the Engineer has a few. Vault Fox and Uncle Jesse. Those are all some of the, or those are the main 3D printing videos and YouTube personalities for it that I watch and I really enjoy watching, and I have learned a lot from and taken a lot of inspiration from. And they've been doing this a lot longer. So I'm gonna leave for now. I'm gonna leave the tutorial stuff for them. So if there's any part of the suit I do and you're curious about it, you can ask a question down in the comments, and if I can answer it, adequately, I will, or I'll even search for one of the videos from somebody else that explains that same process, but in a much better way. And yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna try to keep, for now, the videos under 10 minutes. Just for the sake of I haven't done this in 11 months, so just kind of getting back in the swing of it and keeping updates and just basically a whole progress series on the suit. And that's all. So if you don't mind, hit that little button below. Little subscribe button, ring the little bell, like, comment. That all helps, and it's all great. And if you don't, I just hope you enjoyed the video. And that's all for today.